all present here. As we know, the topic has been allotted by the sir by the time people are selecting their ideas. So I wanted to, in my opinion, the Indian culture is best than the Western culture because Indian culture emphasizes on because Indian culture emphasizes on the rich heritage and the in Indian culture people knows how to live together and support each other.
I'm totally disagree with what my friend said.
Again.
I totally disagree what my friend said because in Western culture it is also better because in Western culture people focused on their they have a personal space to do something because in a Indian culture there is if we want to take any decision there is too long process for take any decision, but in a Western culture we can decide anything because we have a freedom to do anything whatever we
I want to say, and as we listen about her, what did she speak about the Western culture? Yes, I'm disagree with the point of her because she was saying about Western culture that he I'm Mahesh.
Start.
And I partially disagree about the point which was spoken because Western culture learns us that they become separate and nuclear family, and many person belong to nuclear family in the Western culture, and we know that very well about our culture that there is a very important thing that we are living in a joint family, and we have a different type of ritual and function and spiritual things that we used to wear a dress like different occasion, just like when we goes to celebrate Republic Day and Independence Day, that time every person dressed a different way, and if any occasion, if any type of occasion we celebrate, then we wear different type of clothing and different type of dresses we like to use in Indian culture. But if we see about Western culture, there is a similar, and they want to wear a modern dress. They want to use a modern dress. Not there is no more things that like our culture.
I totally agree with the points given by in the favor of Indian culture. I totally agree, but both culture have some merits and demerits. So, in comparison, if we talk about the better, the Western culture is more better in today's era. Today is the era of technology. The Indian culture over empathize the spirituality and decisions that maybe reduce the progress that sometimes or many times it slower the progress and the changes in the new era. So that is the reason Western culture is better in today's era.
It is right that Western culture have a good performance in the technology, but we know that in our culture is also developing in a different way in a different sector, and it is also important thing that if any person know have a emotion, then how can manage their life and their families. There is no